Last look at this Isuzu dump truck we built. Gonna be leaving tonight. So we basically received it with the black frame you see underneath. Did the whole subframe. Everything you see in here. The bar. The hoist. All the trailer lighting, tail lights, doors. A really nice removable upper tip box. Got brake lights in the center, a couple running lights. The driving lights are up under that. Some really nice high intensity LEDs running up and down the body. Let's go take a minute and put it down. Wired all the controls to the cab. This type of cab actually leans forward and down she goes. It's a power up and power down, so it moves pretty quick. Very lightweight body. And fit into those little shoes there. And down she goes. LEDs. Let's shut some doors. That's a pretty cool door lock on it. Get this shut. Very This door lock is a very, very solid lock. It's the back of the truck. See the tail lights up under are protected by the tail gate. And then you see those little 3 lights that also light up as brake lights. So it's really a nice look. And these LEDs down the side are pretty sweet. All right, it's time to send her on to her owner and get on the next.